Fallen, Maria Venus Ra, ang kandidatong tinanggalan ng titulong Binibining Pilipinas Universe dahil sa umano'y maling impormasyong isinumite nito tungkol sa kanyang kapanganakan at pagkakakilanlan. Una, napag-alamang isinilang si Venus sa Doha, Qatar. Lahing Indiano ang kanyang ama at hindi ito kasal sa kanyang ina. Mga datos na taliwas sa kanyang idineklara.
Screening pa lang, self-introduction ko, sinasabi ko po yun. Sabi nga po nung isa pang nag-interview sa akin, okay, tell me something interesting about yourself. And then sinabi ko na I was born in Doha, Qatar. And then sabi niya, so what's so special about being born abroad?
Ngunit ilang araw lang ang binilang. Venus was stripped of her crown. Bagay na hindi raw ipinagbigay alam sa kanya ng Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated o BPCI.
Hindi po ako na-inform. During that day po, pinapili nila ako. Sabi nila, I have two choices, whether I resign or they will dethrone me. Siyempre po, ayokong mag-resign. At sabi ko, before I sign anything, I need parang someone na mag-guide sa akin, na lawyer nga. So yun po, parang nagkaroon sila ng closed door meeting. After that, it takes siguro ilang hours. And then, nung lumabas sila sa meeting room nila, and then in-inform ako na, oh, Venus, sorry, pero alam mo, nalulungkot din kami sa nangyari, ganito, pero you can still join if you want next year.
Kabiat na napagdesisyonan ng BPCI na isali ng titulo sa second runner-up na si Nicolette Henson, nagkataong malapit kay Venus. But the intriguing part is that lumitaw ang pangalan ni Crisame Arrieta na tinanghal bilang Binibining Pilipinas International, whose camp allegedly tipped off Venus's case that led to her dethronement. Ayon sa artikulo ng Philippine Entertainment Portal o PEP, ikinagulat ni Venus ang umano'y pagkakadawit ni Krissa sa issue. Bagamat aminadong hindi sila close si Krissa, wala naman daw kinikimkim na sama ng loob si Venus sa dating co-winner. Samantala, nag-release din kaagad ang BPCI ng kanilang statement ukol sa naging desisyon na bawiin kay Venus ang naturang titulo. Part of the statement reads, and we quote, "Let us confine ourselves to the only issue, discrepancies in a birth certificate, a probable document entitled to full faith and credit," unquote. At bagamat pinuri ng BPCI ang annually courageous act ni Ra sa pag-amin ng mga pangyayaring may kinalaman sa kanyang personal information. Dagdag nito, and we quote, "But we also have to render fair judgment on the grounds of misrepresentation by stripping her of the title. This decision is rendered with finality, and the Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated stands by it." Unquote. Wari pinalakas naman ni Gloria Diaz, Miss Universe 1969, ang loob ni Venus sa gitna ng pangyayari, ngunit suportado naman ito ang desisyon ng BPCI.
I think the last say is always Binibining Pilipinas because they always want to do the right thing. Let it go. Like when they say, when a door closes, a window opens. That is just the beginning. I think you have to come with the right papers, look pretty but not too pretty, smart but not too smart, and then you just go for it and leave it all, you know, to Binibining Pilipinas. I don't think there's ever any anomalya there.
Rerespeto naman ni Venus ang opinyon ni Gloria, bagamat ito ang nais niyang mangyari.
As of now, ang gusto ko lang po talagang mangyari, alam mo yun, maayos yung nasira kong pangalan. Kasi kapag nasa tama kang track, definitely God will guide you.
Live ngayong hapon, Maria Venus Ra.
At narito na siya,
Okay.
si Venus Ra. Magandang hapon.
Ra, di ba?
Parang kakanta ka ng obladi, oblada. Life goes on. Ra.
Venus, anong pakiramdam mo na may mga suportang na nagbibigay sa'yo ng mga suportang mga tao?
Sobrang happy po ako na hindi ko po talaga before naisip na ganito pala kalakas yung suporta ng mga tao at ganun na lang sila kung tumulong sa akin. Sobrang thankful po ako.
Pero kung may tumulong, meron daw ang nagkanlulu daw sa'yo, si Crisame.
Well, hindi ko po alam yun at siguro naman po sana naman hindi po totoo.
At wala siya dito, kasama ni Julio Iglesias, nagtuturo. Okay. Pero hindi kasi bihira sa mga na-dethrone ng umaapila. Anong preparasyon ang ginawa mo para to appeal your case?
Yung una nga po talagang kailangan ko rin po talagang kumonsult sa mga lawyers.
Okay.
And actually, Attorney Gigi and Attorney Dixon is here po ngayon. So, I am very happy na may mga taong tumutulong sa akin na lawyers. At least po alam ko kung ano yung mga dapat kalagyan ko.
Puro legalities. Like,
Opo.
hindi mo pinatawa si Chris Amaya. Hindi mo lang mga ganun.
Hindi po,
Okay.
hindi po.
Sige.
Anyway, Venus, yung Star Talk, si Madam Stella Marquez Araneta, personally nagpadala ng letter dito. At
Ano kaya yan?
babasahin namin. Medyo magandang news to para sa'yo at para sa mga followers mo. Ha?
So please,
Babasahin ko.
friends, please listen.
Babasahin ko word for word. Dear Ricky, the Executive Committee of Binibining Pilipinas Charities Incorporated announced today that after due deliberation, we have reassessed the situation pertaining to Miss Maria Venus Ra, and have decided, for humanitarian reasons, that if she is able to obtain a valid Philippine passport, we will reinstate her as the reigning Binibining Pilipinas Universe. The committee emphasized that, quote, we are sensitive to her situation, but we are aware, too, of our responsibilities as an entity existing under Philippine law, close quote. Open quote, the BPCI being an organization concerned not just with the quest for the true Filipina beauty, but more so, dedicated to the empowerment of women and the upliftment of the lives of marginalized Filipinos, has always considered the welfare of our candidates paramount. Our intention with respect to Ms. Ra was always to protect her in a way we feel appropriate. More than the yearly Binibining Pilipinas pageant, BPCI's relevance as an organization lies in the many opportunities it provides to young and deserving Filipinas, and we are hopeful that Venus will be that Filipina to represent our country in this year's Miss Universe pageant. Signed, Stella.